Knowledge is a power that thieves cannot sell. Education is a treasure that parents cannot pass to their children. We deserve it and we need it to value knowledge and education so we can use it as a weapon in our lives. Let's look at the story of a person who truly values education and love to his country. Let's look back at the life of Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Rialonda. Was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. The seventh child of Francisco Mercado Rizal and Teodora Alonso y Quintos was born in this place. Rizal spent his childhood. His mother almost died giving birth to him because his head was big.
I saw the head of baby. It's so big. Wow.
Doña Chidora and Don Francisco decided to name him Jose because Doña Chidora delivered him safely as she prayed for the divine help, Our Lady of Peace in good voyage. He was baptized Jose Mercado Rizal at the Catholic Church of Calamba by parish priest Rufino Colantis last June 22, 1861, with Reverend Pedro Cansanas as the sponsor, who was the closest friend of Rizal family.
In the name of Holy Son, Jesus Christ, I welcome Jose as the one of God's Son. God bless you.
Thank you, Padre. Gracias.
May the child grow with love and care, Señora.
You will, Padre, you will.
Padre Colantes told them because he had noticed that Jose's head was bigger in shape. He was not mistaken because at the present his name is popular in the Philippines as well as in the other countries. The first memory of Rizal in his infancy was his happy days in the garden when he was 3 years old.
And then Aya, what happened?
And then, when the young man came home, he discovered that the sack of ginger which Maria Makiling gave him was of maggots of gold. From now on, the story of Maria Makiling will spread far and wide.
That was a great story, Aya. Tell me more. Tell me more, Aya, please.
Maybe next time, Jose, your nanay was calling.
By nightfall, Doña Chidora gathered all her children at the house to pray the Angelus.
Jose, this time you lead the prayer.
Okay, Nanay.
When he was 4 years old, his sister Concepcion, at the eighth child in the Rizal family, died at the age of 3. It was on this occasion that Rizal remembered having shed tears for the first time.
That was the saddest day of my life, watching my sister suffering from afar, helpless to help. Yes, after 3 days, my sister was born, and along with her a small part of my heart died, and our family never became the same again. For a week I could not talk my mother. She never spoke a word, but ever how and then I can see her, silent crying while looking at my sister. For third which said broke my heart, knowing that I can do everything to else the pain.
At the age of 5, he began to make sketches with his pencil and to mold on clay and wax objects. During this time, his mother taught him how to read and write.
El brazo su amigo Italia y Aga Turricio di Mara.
Jose, that is not the right way to read Spanish. Read the book and I'll teach you.
Jose and his father left Calamba to go on pilgrimage to Antipolo. It was the first trip of Jose across Laguna de Bay.
Dad, what are you going to do?
Well, my son, we're going to offer a prayer to Our Lady of Peace and Voyage for delivering you as complete. Your mother was having a hard time, so we offered a prayer of thanks to the Virgin of Antipolo to help us, and miraculously, she answered our prayers.
Action. Dad. Diba?
Knowledge is the power that thieves cannot sell. Education is a treasure that parents cannot. Okay lang.
No, I'm still sad. It didn't work.
Action.
Adu
Action.
Kasi?